Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Amrita University's Green Campuses Initiative. You might have heard about Amrita University. We have got 5 campuses. Main headquarter is in Coimbatore, in Amritapuri, that is near Kollam, Bangalore, Mysore, and Cochin. We are also going to start 2 more campuses in North India, in Delhi and in Gujarat. Though this Green Campuses initiative was formally launched in July 2013, the sustainability and environment is interrelated or integrated in each and every activity of the university as per vision of our Chancellor, Amma. The main objective of this Green Campuses initiative is to sensitize student community on environment protection and sustainability. We are doing this in our campuses. We are through different means. We are teaching them environmental science. We are taking them outside for doing projects, for nature clubs, and also research. But we thought of going one step beyond, looking beyond our campuses and reaching out to larger audiences. And hence we started this Green Campus initiative, which provides platform for collaboration to different Indian universities and colleges. And this initiative is powered by a very innovative module called AView, Amrita Virtual Interactive E-Learning World. This is developed by our own e-learning laboratories, which connects different universities at a time. Like already I told that our aim is to promote sustainability by creating awareness. And through this e-learning module, we share knowledge and expertise to different universities. We can connect many people at a time. You must be aware that this environmental science, EVS course, is a mandatory course by UGC, and all these undergraduate colleges, they have adopted that because it is mandatory. They have not adopted because it is based on their interest. So usually what happens that they do not have many experts, and they ask biology teacher or geography teacher to teach that environmental science subject, and it is not really done in true spirit, and they just do it because it is mandatory by UGC. But at the same time, and it is not their fault because they don't have many experts in their universities. But at the same time, we could find that there are many expertise available in our own country. So we thought that we can involve them, we can bring them and connect them to larger audiences. So through this AView, that e-learning system, we organized many expert talks which were viewed by more than 70 universities at a time. And also it was like an interactive session. People could speak, and everybody could view the question and answer session. There were 4 displays where a speaker could be seen, his presentation, audience, and at the same time, question and answer session was viewed by more than 70 universities in India, 70 universities and colleges in India. The other objective is also to deploy or to adopt eco-friendly technologies for greening and cleaning our own campuses, and also share best practices with other campuses. Just now we saw an excellent example. So our efforts are to share good practices and learn from each other. And of course, encouraging active research through students and through faculties towards sustainability. We were privileged, we were honored to have Dr. Pachori, Director General, TERI, as our first speaker of this initiative. He spoke about renewable energy and green security. We also had Keya Acharya. She spoke about waste segregation. She's an environmental journalist. Then Padma Shri G. Shankar is a green architect. Most of you must be aware of him. Then Liji Philip from IIT Madras. She spoke about water management. Then Prasad Modak, he spoke about sustainability as profession. Dr. Lokendra Singh, you might have heard of this innovative technology of biodigester biotoilets. He spoke about that, and all these lectures And we had one more lecture by Mr. Peter Ash about permaculture and organic farming. And all these lectures were viewed by thousands and thousands of students at a time. The universities participated, you can see, were from North Zone, Western Zone, IIT Bombay, IIT Ropar, IIT Madras. You can see Punjab University, National Institute of Technology, Bardiyar University, Pondicherry University from South. So we want to further expand our network, and our main focus for environment education as well as green campus initiatives is water management, waste management, energy conservation, conservation of greenery in our campus, eco-friendly building technologies. You can see that picture, which is a barren land. Some 20 years back, it was bought. And it was just like a desert. Lakhs and lakhs of plants are planted, and now it looks like a green paradise. Because of that, water table in the campus and surrounding villages has been raised. We have got 5 sewage treatment plants to treat over 12 lakh liters of wastewater generated per day, which recovers, and 11.6 lakhs liters of water is used for gardening and for flushing in the toilets. We also use this EM, effective microbes technology, for this sewage treatment plant. But as you all are aware, this technology is little energy intensive. So we went ahead and we found out the new technology, and we did it in our Amrita campus on an experimental basis, where we used this unique bacteria from Antarctica, anaerobic bacteria, which consumes human waste and which is helpful in purification of the water. And then the same water was passed through the reed beds. This resulted in a huge electricity cost saving. Every bit of the waste in our campus, in Ettimadai campus, is collected, segregated, and recycled. We have got tie-up with unorganized sector, we call kabadiwalas. So they come and help us in taking some plastic waste, and some of the waste is recycled there itself. And it is all sustainable. You can see that our annual turnover is several lakhs. We pay all salaries of employees and everything from this project. One of our PhD students in chemical department, from the business school, he has started pyrolysis plant in Chennai, and he is planning to take all plastic waste which is generated in our campus, which can be used for generating fuel. Composting. All our campuses do composting, and AIMS, that is in Cochin, this Medical Science Institute, we have done eco-restoration and landfill and using this compost. We also have biogas generation plants, and we are going to expand it in other campuses. Our biggest electricity consumers are our sewage treatment plant. Though we are treating our water and purifying water, we are worried about electricity consumption and ACs in AIMS. So part of our energy part of our energy demand is met by solar energy, and we are going to plan more for solar PV panels and shifting to LED lamps and all. Yeah, biotechnology toilet already I have discussed. I already told you that lakhs and lakhs of plants were planted, and we have got largest collection of rare and endemic plants in the Western Ghats in South India in our campus. If you compare the ambient temperature outside campus and inside campus, you can find 5 degrees difference. We have also cultivated organic vegetables, fruits, medicinal plant garden. We are trying permaculture. You can see these beautiful pictures. All these pictures are taken from our campus. We have got 112 species of birds, 86 species of butterflies, 19 species of mammals, and 12 species of reptiles. All this is surveyed, done in only just 3 months survey. We have got these results. We have not done all seasonal survey. And these figures are nearing to like any very good quality semi-evergreen forest. Yeah. We have also got a building like buildings which are eco-friendly, and we are going to adopt best practices from Padma Shri Ji Shankar, and we have made visits to Rajasthan and development alternatives and Auroville. From them, we are going to adopt best practices. We have got a EVS course, and we have developed innovative modules. Like we also have everything online course material. We use PPTs, games, role plays, and most important thing, the most of the part, like it is not just a rote learning, it is open book exam, and more than 50% of the weightage is given for actual projects. So we encourage them to do the practical things. We have also developed e-learning modules and videos. You can see this online. We are planning to develop a flip classroom based basic course in EVS, and also later in future MOOC. We are looking for collaboration. This is the syllabus what we follow. We have developed this curriculum with the help of experts. These are AVU EVS models, and these different students' projects you can see. We try to integrate these projects with their core subject, and we have given a good credits for this subject, and we encourage them to look beyond these credits, because these students, as we know, they are tomorrow's builders and architects and scientists and engineers, and our future lies in their hand. So we are encouraging them to, we are planning to develop young environmentalists. And
yeah. Have to finish
okay,
now.
fine.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you.
I'll just conclude. Yeah, we strongly feel that sustainability should be integrated in every course, every discipline, and every subject offering. We are working towards the same in our campuses. We are planning to expand our network and reach out to the larger student community to generate awareness. And we are striving to achieve excellence in not only making our own campuses green by adopting best practices, but also collaborating with other campuses to exchange ideas and expertise, which would be mutually benefited and lead us towards a sustainable future. And I request all of you to join us in this initiative.